Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I am taking maths of class 8 lesson number 12 exponents and powers exercise number 12.1 part 4 question number 2. Question number 2, it is given simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So the question is given minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8. So here it is given in the question we have to simplify the expression, and after simplifying expression we have to write the result in a positive exponential form. So let's start with the solution. Minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8 can be written as minus 4 raised to the power 5 minus 8 by using the law, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. So here we consider minus 4 as a, and the exponents are given 5 and 8 which are different and bases are equal. It is given in the form of division. It means we have to do the subtraction between the exponent according to this law. That's why here we have written minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8 equals to minus 4 raised to the power 5 minus 8. Now 5 minus 8 is equals to minus 3. So here we will write minus 4 raised to the power minus 3. Now here we got the exponent as negative but we want the exponent as positive. So we have a law. By using that law we can write minus 4 raised to the power minus 3 as 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 3. By using the law a raised to the power minus m divided by 1 upon a raised to the power m. So this is how we have to simplify, and we have to write the result in a positive exponential form. Then the next question, that is given 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. So it is given whole raised to the power 2. It means this 2 is the exponent for 1 as well as it is the exponent for 2 raised to the power 3 also, as it is given as a whole. So the solution is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2 can be written as 1 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 raised to the power 6. So how we got here 2 raised to the power 6? As I told you, this 2 is the exponent for both numerator and the denominator. So we have given the 2 as the exponent for the numerator, then the denominator here already given 2 raised to the power 3, and then 3 and 2 will get multiplied. So 2 into 3 will be 2 raised to the power 6, as it is by using the law power of a power. So here we got 1 upon 2 raised to the power 6. Why 1 upon 2 raised to the power 6? Because 2 raised to 1 up raised to the power 2 is given, and if we multiply 1 with itself 2 times we will get the result at 1 only. That's why here we have written 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, and here we have applied this law, that is when the exponent is common for both numerator and denominator and it is given as a whole, then that time we have to apply for both numerator and denominator, that is a divided by b whole raised to the power m equals to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. So this is how we got the results. And the next question is minus 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 divided by 3 whole raised to the power 4. So now we are going to simplify it, that is minus 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 divided by 3 whole raised to the power 4 equals to, it can be written as minus 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4, as the 4 is given as an exponent for whole this numerator and denominator. Now by using this law, that is a divided by b whole raised to the power m equals to a divided by m divided a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. So here we have applied this law, that is we consider here a as 5 and b as 3 and m as 4. So that is a divided by b whole raised to the power m, which is equals to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. So now we can write this expression as minus 1 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. So what we did here, we have written this expression as it is, but here it is given minus 3. So we can write minus 3 as minus 1 into 3, because minus 1 into 3 will be equals to minus 3 only. That's why we have written here minus 1 into 3, and here the exponent is given as 4. So that's why we have written here for minus 1 exponent as 4 and here for 3 exponent as 4, as it is already given, because minus 3 into minus 3 raised to the power 4 will equals to this expression. Okay, and what we did here, mainly we have take out at the negative sign. So here 3 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4 will get cancel. Here 3 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4 will get cancelled. So what is left here? 5 raised to the power 4. So that is minus 1 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4, which is equals to 5 raised to the power 4. Why 5 raised to the power 4? Because minus 1 raised to the power 4, it means we have to multiply minus 1 with itself 4 times. So that is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 will be equals to 1, because 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is again 1, and then we have to multiply this sign. So minus minus will become plus, then plus minus will become minus, and then again minus minus will become plus. That's why here we got the positive 1, and the positive 1 into 5 raised to the power 4 will be equals to 5 raised to the power 4 only. Then the next question, fourth, 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. So now we are going to simplify it. Solution, 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 5, which is equals to 3 raised to the power minus 7 minus minus 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. So here first we will simplify the bracket, and what is given in the bracket? Bases are 3 and bases are equal, as both bases are given as 3. Exponents are different, that is minus 7, and here it is given minus 10, and it is given in the form of division. So here we will use the law, and according to that law we have to do the subtraction between the exponents. So that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. So that's why here we did a raised to the power m minus n. So that is 3 raised to the power minus 7 and minus again minus 10, as we have to do the subtraction, and both the numbers are given in with the negative sign. That's why we have to turn here minus and again into minus 10. By using the law, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Now simplify it. So by simplifying we will get minus 7, 3 raised to the power minus 7 plus 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. So here minus minus will become plus. That's why we have written minus 7 plus 10. Then minus 7 plus 10 will become plus 3. Okay, so here it will become 3 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised 3 raised to the power minus 5. So as minus plus will be minus, so 10 minus 7 will be 3, and here the sign of 10 we will apply because 10 is a greater than 7. So that's why we have written here 3 as the exponent with positive sign, and here already given in the question 3 raised to the power minus 5, so it will be written as it is. Now again we will notice these two numbers, so in which we will find 3 is the base which is equal, exponents are different, and it is given in the form of multiplication. So we will use the law, and by using law we will write here 3 raised to the power 3 plus minus 5. By using the law, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. So here plus minus will become minus, so 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. So here we will write 3 raised to the power 3 minus 5, and 3 raised to the power 3 minus 5 will become 3 raised to the power minus 2. Now here we got the exponent as negative, but we want the exponent as positive. So here we will apply the law, and by applying law we will write it as 1 upon 3 raised to the power plus 2. By using the law we have got that answer. Then the next question is 2 raised to the power minus 3 into minus 7 raised to the power minus 2, which can be written as 2 raised to the power minus 3 into minus 7 raised to the power minus 3, which is equals to 2 into minus 7 raised to the power minus 3. So why we have written here 2 into minus 7 raised to the power minus 3 as a whole? Because here bases are different and exponents are equal, and it is given in the form of multiplication. When exponents are same and bases are equal, that time we have to multiply the bases, and we will take the exponent as common for both by using the law. So here we use the law, a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m equals to a into b whole raised to the power m. So it will become minus 14 whole raised to the power 3. So that is 2 into minus 7 will become minus 14 whole raised to the power minus 3, and it is the negative exponent. To make it positive we will use the law, that is m raised to the power minus a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. So it will become 1 upon minus 14 raised to the power 3. So this is how we have to simplify, and here we use the law a raised to the power minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope this question number 2 is understand by you. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.